Traders, welcome to this beautiful Monday morning. Okay, let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. In my last video, I said that we were going to go up. However, we did get rejected and I did get stopped out on my long position and took a short position, which I did close out on a bit too early, to be honest. I closed it out at 109,410. So let's have a quick look at what this price action is doing, because everyone is so bearish at the moment, and from just looking at this pattern here, I can see a short squeeze coming, guys. There is some levels that we need to watch out. Everyone's saying that if we lose 106,000 it's all over, or 107. I don't quite see that happening just yet. um, so I mean, obviously I would like a daily close above 109,410. I would like a daily close. Whether we're going to get that or not, I don't know at this stage, but even a daily close above 108,500 would work nice for us for a continuation up. We do have a lot of liquidity above us at 112 and also 114 and 116,000. However, you don't really get to see that on here that clear, and I'm using coin glass, but I do see this on my other order flow software. Now, one thing that is very interesting is if we have a look at, I was looking at this yesterday and that's why I didn't really make a video, is that we do have a lot of support underneath us as in big buy orders. We did tap into a couple of orders in at the, where is it? It's the come on, man. Just 1 second. We did tap into some orders at 107 buy orders, 100 and it was 106,900, and I can't see that one here anymore. Let's just have a quick look at this. Let me just arrange this like this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, 106,900. Yeah, there you go. So that did get bought up. I saw that really well. Well, I could actually see that very well on the other order flow software that I do use. And I do see a lot of shorts being opened as well, which is a recipe for short squeeze. There's a couple of levels here. I'm scaled into a long position currently, and even if we do wick back down, because we've got a tap one here, tap two, we're looking for another tap three, tap three accumulation, if I'm correct, and I don't know if I'm going to be correct, because this is very difficult price action. Yeah, so we want to see some more buy pressure coming in, and hopefully New York will bring that. If New York does dump this price, there's two possible scenarios here. Either they are dumping the price so we can, smart money can buy back very, very cheap, or we're going to be testing that 100k zone. But I don't want to go to the 100k zone, because if we do go to this 100k zone, and we do have a naked point of control here, this one here that I've been talking about for weeks, it could be just a bounce, a relief rally. Then I will be looking for shorts. Simple as that. I will take the long, or add to the current long that I'm in, but I'll be looking for a short position, because then you if we don't get the right volume profile and market structure in this zone, it can turn nasty very fast. But so far, everyone's in fear. I'm not currently in any fear. I'm actually a bit bullish at the moment. I'm always bullish, but no, it does look like we may bounce from here. We really want to get above this daily VWAP, which is at 108. Ideally, want to get above the 50 EMA in this cloud. Realistically, you want to get above 108,500 and stay above there for a continuation up. There is some levels up here that I'm looking for, resistance levels. PD low is one of them. Previous week EQ is the other one. Daily open I'm not too concerned about, because, well, the daily open is still alignment with the 800 EMA. So if we do get resistance, if we can make it up to the daily open, it's still good, because yeah, we'll probably get rejected, come back down, mess about, hopefully get above and continue up, because we do have that liquidity above us as well that I must look into. That is lookable into. That didn't make any sense. I'm talking about this liquidity here. So yeah, that's all I have really for BTC. I mean, we need to see how this market structure or this profile really needs to work out on a higher time frame. Everyone is talking about the 50 EMA, which is here on that weekly. We really want to avoid that. We want to avoid this. You want to stay above this. To be honest, if we do come back down to here, just clean that up for you. If we do come back down to here, I'm gonna not be that bullish. Now, right now, we are touching this top of this cloud, here, which is good, which is good. We want to bounce off that. So, you know, the daily candle is going to show us really what's going to happen. New York session is going to show us as well what's really going to happen. Now, one thing I do want to have a quick look at. So let me just go to the hourly chart. Okay, let's have a look at this hourly chart very quickly. So, yeah, okay, so we did get rejected. We're getting rejected there. Okay, we had a rejection there, But on some exchanges, we actually did tap that. So 1, 2, 3. Let me just have a quick look at something, to be honest. Okay, so let me just grab that properly, to be honest. Did that too fast. Let's get the wick actually. Okay. So we are, with that pull there, we are actually fighting with that. Let me have a look at a smaller time frame very quickly. When I don't use too many EMAs and fibs, I use the 50 EMA. It does give me an advantage. Let me have a quick look. So I don't know if this is the actual low itself. Yeah, so really this 108 level is what I'm looking for. To be honest, we need to close above, let's just say 109 to be a bit healthy. So if we close above 109 today, I'm not going to panic too much. But if we do come up and reject here, then yeah, I might have to take some profits on my current long position. So he said, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's very tricky price action, very tricky price action. A lot of fear in the markets at the moment as well. We do have a lot of news this week, so maybe we can get a good relief rally back up. Some cover levels that I'm going to be watching for is definitely 108 200, 108 500. I don't know where this EMA is going to come down to be honest. 109. So you know, let's just hope we can get above this. To be honest, currently I am in a long position, and I'm just about to put a stop loss because I don't trust this price action. So I'll put a stop loss just underneath this wick here. I am looking for another long position. It should be spike. It needs to be a quick wick down, SFP, and acceptance above 106, because the reason being is I do see a lot of buy orders in this zone here, so that could bring us some volatility later on. And this is why I've scaled into a long position currently at the moment, because you know when we squeeze out all these late shorts, which I can see on my other screen at the moment, and if you want to learn about short squeeze, my links in the description below for Telegram. You can do that, and there is a course coming out as well, and I use one of the best exchanges out there. Use BYDFI is one of the best exchanges out there. You don't get any liquidity problems, don't get any issues with funds being frozen. Also, the UI works very well. The links in the description below of this video. You get a 20% deposit bonus. Amazing exchange. Once you do open account with this one, just send me a UID and I will let you in free into my Telegram group, and where we do share live setups and also live order flow videos on because everything can change very, very fast. Do you understand? Things change in this market very, very fast. So I can't get an update video out on YouTube, but all live updates are in that Telegram group, not only on Bitcoin but other altcoins as well. So if you do want to take advantage of that free membership, and I also upload a video and do streaming every weekend, uh, which is this exchange supports me on. I'm a big shout out to this exchange. Never had a problem. This is the only exchange I'm going to work with. They are probably, in my opinion, the best exchange in the world. So yeah, use my link in the description below. Sign up, deposit $500, $1,000, get that bonus. Send me a UID, and I'll let you into the money club. I'm going to change the name to the money club because that's what we do. We make money in that club. Right, coming back to the charts. Yeah, so please, let's hold this level. Let's hold this level. I don't mind one more wick down, to 106 800, even to 106 500. I don't mind that. It has to be quick wick, come back out, SFP swing failure pattern. But so far we do see longs opening up. Let me have a look on my other screen. We have seen like 44 million longs, but we also have got shorts opening as well. A lot of shorts, over 50 million shorts. You're gonna get wrecked. You're going to get wrecked. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I'll speak to you later on. Take it. Bye.